Hey, it's Denise Jacino again. It's great to see you on the inside. I just want to congratulate you on taking action. I'm really excited about being here and being able to share with you everything that I've learned and I've put together over the last few months. And I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a minimum 5-figure monthly income over the next 90 days. Now, there's a lot of information that we have to cover, but the first thing I want you to do is check your email inbox. You should have received an email from me, and if you didn't, please be sure to check your spam folder. If it is in your spam folder, please mark it not spam. Over the next few days, you'll be receiving a lot of information from me, information on tools and training tips and techniques, my marketing strategies, tutorial videos, even some confidential ad sources that I use. So I want to make sure that you're receiving my emails, and you do too. All right, now let's get started. There's a lot of information we need to cover here. First, I want you to understand that I am going to be sharing with you some strategies and some concepts with you that may challenge the way you look at your business. And you're going to have to start thinking about marketing in a very different way. I'm going to lead you through a series of steps and lead you step by step. I'm going to show you how I've structured my online business and how the top producers in this industry structure their business. And here's the interesting part, how they're able to generate multiple streams of income, how they're able to profit from a prospect, not just one time, but many times, even if they never join their business. I'm going to show you exactly how to lay this all out to position yourself, show you how to attract people to your website, how to get tons of leads for free, as well as using paid approaches that can just explode your business. So as you can probably tell, I'm really excited about this. I love a marketing system that works, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So on the next page, you are going to meet a business associate of mine, one of the brains behind this incredible system. So if you're ready to get going, click on the link below. That will take you to the first training video, and I'll see you there.